Making a stop-motion animation used to take days. With the Freepik AI tools, it only takes a few steps. In the Freepik AI image generator, select Seedream 4. We'll generate stylized frames with visual consistency. Upload a reference image and write your prompt to describe the action, context, and mood you want to create. Select Craft Motion for an eye-catching and handcrafted look. Choose a color palette from the library or create your own. In the image editor, you can polish some details you want to improve. For example, choose Erase and select the elements you want to remove from the image. Then, use the upscaler in precision mode to improve the quality. Repeat these edits for all frames you'll animate. In the video generator, upload your first frame and choose the Kling 2.5 model to animate the scene. Click Create Visual Prompt to draw or add notes on the image. Define specific actions or directions, like where the character moves or which direction it goes. Then click Generate. Here's your scene, animated with that stop-motion charm. Use the video upscaler to sharpen and improve your final animation. Once it's upscaled, generate sound effects like footsteps, motion, or ambience. For the final touches on your montage, select your video and hit Add to Video Project to open it in the video editor. Add your clips, title, and music to bring the story together. Make your final edits, then export in the format that fits your project. Now you've got a handcrafted style animation made entirely with Freepik AI Suite.